Okay, hello brethren. We have this. We hired a bulldozer to fix a little bit the road going to the church and a little bit beyond, going up a little bit further. You can see in that direction they fixed a little bit more of this, and they moved all of that rocks and dirt from the road, and they made the spot like right now. I am driving back. I am going reverse in order to have a space enough to see what is going on in here. And yeah, so we have a better way to get in and into the church land. You can see the road is a little bit better. Bulldozer did this, and today this bulldozer worked on the land. We hired him to make a more flat area for us. You can see our co-worker's truck over there, and he worked a little bit more in front of us, right over there. And you can see the kids playing over there. It was kind of messy, and now we have a more flat area to work in.